Hey, I want to send this quick message in here before I go to work about the Forex Academy with for beginners from Saad Ali, and how it's helped me being a visual learner and running across a program that actually is teaching you step by step how to, you know, read charts, Fibonacci retracement, how to, you know, set your risk management and all that other stuff that you really need to learn how to do and understand to be a profitable Forex trader. Also has an awesome Facebook group that allows you to, submit your charts, and then they critique them and make sure you're on the right path. So I definitely think that if you're looking for Forex training, then Saad Ali is definitely where you need to look for sure.